If you have a Ram Promaster that is asking you for a code on the radio and is not letting you use it, I'm going to show you how to find that code. Super simple. You can do it. All you need is a flathead screwdriver. This particular van is a 2016 Ram Promaster. If you have a radio that looks like this should be the solution to fix yours. So again, simple flathead screwdriver. I'm going to take this, insert it on the side. I'm going to pry that loose. If you just pry one side, it should work to pop it loose. You can see right there, there's just these little tabs on both sides. So what you're looking for, and it can be on the top, it can be on the bottom. Mine is on the top here. It's 4910. You see right there, it'll focus for me. It says radio security code 4910. One quick thing I've not seen people mention in other videos is, you see you've got 1 through 6. Most radios, you use these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to put the code in. It's 4-digit code. Refresh my memory. Mine is 4910. So what you do on this is you use these. So 4910. So let's see. As you can see, you can go 1 through 9 or 0 through 9 using these. So 910? 4 9 1 0, and I believe you press the power button once you've done so, and there we go, we're good to go. So radio is on. I can swap between my bands here, and there you go, good to go. I hope that helps you out as you are working on fixing your Ram Promaster. A lot of times this happens after you replace the battery. Super simple fix. Pop it out, enter the code, you'll be good to go. If this helped you, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.